Outlook gives us all kinds of tools to edit our emails. Here I've got some text in here, and of course you could just type this text in, or you could do something like copy and paste it from another application, as I've done. And I've copied and pasted it from the lynda.com website. By default, Outlook will use HTML type email. And that means if you copy and paste it from a web page or from Microsoft Word or something like that, when you paste it into the email messages, it should look very similar to what it did in the source document. Let's edit some of this text. So I want to edit this. I want to do something with lynda.com here. So I'll highlight that to select it. And I can come up here in the ribbon, in the basic text group, and use some of these tools. So if I want to bold and underline lynda.com, I can do that. I can, let's change award-winning here to purple text. Another great tool in here is the highlighter. So if I want to highlight something in this message, I can just select it and then click on the highlighting tool and it highlights it. This is really useful if you're reading a document and you're planning to reply to or forward it. It's great to be able to highlight certain things and send it on to someone else. But something was appearing as I highlight some text. If you highlight text and you move your mouse a little bit up and to the right, something called the mini toolbar appears. And the mini toolbar is just a little toolbar that appears when you highlight text with some of the really common things you might want to change, like what font type or size, the indentation, the color, bold, underline, things like that. And the way it works is when you highlight something, you can just barely see it there. It starts to appear. If you move your mouse a little bit up and to the right, it'll solidify and then you can use the toolbar. As you move farther away, it'll just fade out. If you don't want to use it, just move your mouse away and it's gone. There's far more text editing options in the ribbon in another tab called Format Text. So this is the basic text group here, but if you want a lot more details, go to the Format Text tab, and here there's many more options to use, everything you could ever want to format text.